Hey y'all, long time no see. So I am excited because today I have an unboxing from my friends at Bella Canvas. Ugh. Yes, it's a lot in here. So if you already have a t-shirt brand, an apparel brand, and you are looking for a wholesale company with some good quality, you know, we love Bella Canvas over here. And if you are drop shipping, doing print on demand using companies like Printful, Printify, all of those, you can find a lot of great Bella Canvas items on there. And these are some newbies, so I'm excited to see what is here and what I'm gonna be using, because let me give you a little tea. Hoodie and sweatshirt season, that's really where it's at, for real. I know specifically for my brand. So I'm all opening it. And before that, I show you that they have a little Bella Canvas sticker right there. Be different, no sweatshops, retail quality, all that good stuff. So you at least know that you are giving your customers very, very, very good quality. Okay, first off, what I love about Bella Canvas, like hands down, is how freaking soft they are. Oh, what is this? It's like a little belly top situation, little crop, little. So you have that one. This is like banana. I don't know if I think we've had a hoodie that is this color, but I think I like the brighter one better. So we have these like crop hoodies, like I said, super soft. All of the Bella Canvas hoodies and sweatshirts that we have, that we've sold, they're very soft, and people talk about how great the quality is. So that is a plus. This is, oh, I didn't tell you what this one was. This is the 7505. They are new, so some of them may not be on print on demand websites just yet. This one is the 3719, the unisex sponge fleece pullover hoodie with that long name, but it feels so good, and this color is really cute. So that's that with the white strings. All right, next we have, oh, this got a little zipper, the 3739 unisex sponge fleece full zip hoodie. So if you are somebody who wants a zipper, here you go. Now for me, I really gravitate towards the ones where you can pull them over, because I can put girl plus God like this over the front. But for something like this, you can like print your logo on the back, or you can just put it in the corner, or you really can still put it across, but it's up to you. So that is the zip hoodie. Again, this one is really soft too. Let's see, what is this one? All right, this is still the sponge fleece. It's the 3901, and this is a sweatshirt. Again, they all feel really good. So I'm about to be living in these this fall, winter, baby. Living in these. So like that. Hope I'm holding it up right, because I know y'all say something in the comments like, I can't see it. All right, this is my last little item. So I'm gonna put the box down. I love this color. So cute. So cute. And this is also a sweatshirt. It's the details for me. The little bottom seam right there. So yes, really good quality. It feels good. We love that. So thank you, Bella Canvas, for sending me these new goodies. Definitely for me, I personally like to see the blanks and then reimagine like how I would want my brand to look with it. Like, okay, so what color would I print on this? What designs would I want to go on there? How do they feel? Of course, how do they wash? All of that stuff. So these are the things that you want to be asking yourself as you're looking for blanks when you're building your brand or redesigning your brand or relaunching, whatever that looks like. Please make sure that you have a good quality blank for your customers, because it matters. They don't know about the wholesaler, Bella Canvas, or anybody else. All they know is that it's coming from you and they want it to be great quality. So please do your research. These definitely are gonna be great for fall winter for those who love soft, fluffy feeling hoodies. They do not feel scratchy or like stiff like a lot of other brands. So definitely check these out. Like I said, they may not be on print on demand websites just yet because they're brand new, but check them out when you can. And just Bella Canvas in general. All right, so I'm excited about this fall winter and kind of deciding what I'm gonna do. Of course, I want to hear about what you're gonna do. Are you selling hoodies for the fall? Are you doing hoodies and sweatshirts and some t-shirts? Tell me all about it in the comments, and of course ask me your questions. Subscribe, of course, if you're not already, and check out everything that I have for you in the description box so you can start your t-shirt business if you already, or if you don't already have one. All right, love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.